I am recording this session for the people who want to follow the video. Today's session, we are going to, please everyone switch on your videos.
The meeting is being recorded, sir?
Yes, it is being recorded. Okay. Okay. So, today we will learn the Danda Vyayam. I will teach you the Danda Vyayam, and every day we are going to do the Danda Vyayam. Slowly we will increase the number of repetitions. Today you learn the Danda Vyayam. First, there is Dand Baitak and Dand Vyayam. First Dand Vyayam is Sadharan Dand. Sadharan Dand. Come to this we are doing every day, but we will do it. Come to Parvatasana. Now, see from Parvatasana, go down and come to Bhujangasana. Elbows pointing backwards, use your biceps. Now from here to Parvatasana. So again, I'll do once more. From here, Bhujangasana to Parvatasana. Now while doing the Bhujangasana, here you inhale and exhale, do the Bhujangasana. Inhale, Parvatasana. Okay? So this is Sadharan Dand. Don't do too many repetitions. You will get tired. Learn the. And now I am going to see how you are going to do. Each one separately. Okay. Don't do too many repetitions. You will get tired. Do two or three repetitions. Okay. One by one. Bhujangasana, Parvatasana. Okay. 2 or 3 repetitions is enough. We are going to learn. So let me rectify. So anybody has any question on this? If you have question, you can ask me. Bhujangasana, Parvatasana. Okay, fine. Fine. Come back. So there are some people who have not enabled their videos. I request you to enable your videos so that I can rectify, see and rectify. Okay. 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 So now, anybody has any question on Sadharan Dand? Sadharan Dand, normal Dand Vyayam. Okay. Okay. So every day we will do few repetitions of this. Okay. Fine, Balakrishna. You try to enable video from next Thursday or Friday so that we can rectify. Okay. So that is Sadharan Dand. Now next. Dand Baitak. sit-ups. Now you can keep your feet shoulder length apart. Keep your hands horizontal. Make your fist. Keep your fist. Sit down. You can raise your heels if you cannot keep your heels down, and get up. Do 5 rounds. 1. Get it correct. Get the form correct. 2. 3. Keep your back straight. 4. 5. Okay, now let me see how you guys are doing. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, fine. Very good, very nice. Okay, stop. Don't get tired. Stop. Okay. Okay, next one. Hanuman Dand. We will do slowly. See, Dand Vyayam, there are different types of push-ups as per our yogic or Vyayam Paddhati. So, I am doing a little bit with gap so that you can recover. Come to Parvatasana. We will do slowly. Come to Parvatasana. Keep your left feet near your left palm. Keep your left feet near your left palm. Now, touch your right ear to the ground and rise into Bhujangasana. Get up. Take your left leg feet back. Bring the right feet forward. Touch your left ear to the ground and Bhujangasana. Take your right feet back. Once more. Bring the left feet forward near your left hand, left palm. Touch your right ear to the ground. Bhujangasana. Bring the left feet back. Bring the right feet forward. Touch your left ear to the ground and Bhujangasana. Bring the right feet backward. Okay? This is called Hanuman Dand. So let us do Hanuman Dand. Okay? Try to do. Kamalaji, your left feet outside of your left hand. Now it is easy. Okay. Okay. Do few rounds. 2 or 3 rounds is sufficient. Okay. 2 or 3 rounds are sufficient. Learn it properly. If you can do more, do more. Very nice. Okay. All right. Stop. Others also, please enable your video, otherwise I cannot see the video. Okay. So Hanuman Dand is clear. Any questions on Hanuman Dand? You are on mute, Shilpaji. You are asking something.
The first position is Parvatasana or the Dandasana?
I mean, it is in between Parvatasana and Dandasana. Okay, take a break for 1 minute. Relax. The next one. Next one is Mishra Dand. Mishra Dand. Again, it's almost like a Dandasana and Parvatasana. Don't get confused. So now, let us start from this position. See, Bhujangasana. Now, jump to this position. Jump back, Bhujangasana. Jump back, Bhujangasana. Jump forward, jump back, Bhujangasana. Jump, jump back, Bhujangasana. Okay? Okay. Bhujangasana with frog jump. Okay, good. Okay. Okay. Don't do too many repetitions, you will get tired easily. Okay. Okay. Stop. Relax. 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 You can drink some water, wet your throat. Relax. Relax for 1 or 2 minutes. Today we are learning. From tomorrow we will do few rounds of each of these. Okay. Okay. Now next one. Next one, ready? Okay. Next one is Vrushchika Dand, Scorpion Dand. Come to Parvatasana. Come to Parvatasana. Raise your left leg up. Do the Bhujangasana. Bring the left leg down. And again Parvatasana. Raise your right leg up. Do the Bhujangasana. Bring the right leg down. And Parvatasana. Okay? Like a scorpion. Scorpion tail. Okay? All right. Hope it is clear. Vrushchika Dand. Okay. Okay, fine. Any questions on Vrushchika Dand? One thing you have to remember, Shilpa ji, keep your elbows backward pointed. If you are doing it sideways, your shoulders will get injured. When you are going down, use your biceps and triceps. Yeah, okay, fine. Yes, Samir, you have a question?
All these exercises, when do we every day we will do?
No, your voice is not clear.
Just asking. Do we need to do this every day so that it will be a kind of a preparation for the asana, or is it just?
We will do few rounds of some of these every day, not everything every day. Okay. Okay. Take rest for 1 minute. Premila ji, you have a question? You have done it properly?
Yes, sir, I done.
Okay, fine. Okay, next one. Next one. Parivruta Vrushchikasana. Parivruta Vrushchikasana. Come to Dandasana. Now, raise your left leg like a Vrushchikasana. Touch it outside of your body. Do the Dandasana, Bhujangasana. Come back. Raise your right leg. Touch it outside of the left feet. Dandasana. Come back. Okay. Dandasana. Parvatasana. Raise your left leg. Go down. Touch it. come up, back, rise, go down, touch the other side, rise, come back. Okay? Paripurta Vrishchikasana. Do only 2 to 3 rounds, all of them. Yeah. Okay, fine. 2 to 3 rounds is sufficient. Okay. I mean, do it like this. Everybody are trying to touch while in Parvatasana only. Don't do like that. See, from Dandasana, rise Vrishchikasana, go down and touch and come to Bhujangasana and come back. Vrishchikasana, Vrishchika, go down, touch the ground, come back, come back. Okay? All right. Relax. Relax. Okay, any questions? Relax. If you do 2 rounds, everything, it will be sufficient every day. 2 to 3 rounds for us, for our purpose. We are not going to be pahalwans. We want to just strengthen our muscles, that's all. Okay, what are all we have learned? We have learned Sadharan Dand, we have learned Hanuman Dand, we have learned Vrishchika Dand, we have learned Parivruta Vrishchika Dand, we have learned Mishra Dand, frog jump with frog jump. Okay. Now we will learn Sarpa Dand. Come to Parvatasana. Now, from this position, come to Bhujangasana and do 3 times and then come to Parvatasana. Bhujangasana, Parvatasana. Bhujangasana, Parvatasana. Like a serpent's hood going up and down. Sarpadana. This will be last for today. You need not come back fully up, little bit up is sufficient. Okay, fine. Relax. Relax. So remember this. Okay, fine. Relax. Okay, relax for 2 minutes. Please remember all these things. From tomorrow I am going to say, do Sarpadand, then you have to do Sarpadand. Okay, now we have not exercised the legs. One type of sit-ups we have done, another type of sit-ups we will do. It is called Hanuman Baitak. It is also known as Cossack sit-ups, Russian Cossack sit-ups. Hanuman Baitak, side sit-ups. Sit to the side, get up, sit to the other side. If you can keep your hands in front, sit to the side, get up, sit to the side. Okay? Side sit-ups. Hanuman Baitak. Careful, careful. Sit as much as you can. Depends on each one's flexibility. Okay, enough. Try as much as you can sit. You can use your hands on the ground if you want to sit further. Yeah, correct. Correct, correct. You can raise your heel also, no issues. Basically, it stretches the hamstring muscle and the inner thighs. Okay? And strengthens the thighs. Stop. Okay? Now, one more. Last one for today. Not the last one. I don't know whether I do it correctly or not, but let us try. It is called Ramurti Dand. Ramurti Dand. From this position, Dandasana, you have to go down, come to Bhujangasana, and from there go down and come back. Just as you have gone to the asana, you have to come back in the same position. Okay? There is a difference between this and Sadharan Dand. Okay, do you see the difference? Very difficult. You have to go down and come back. Okay? The way you have gone, the way only. Be careful, stop, enough, don't do too much. You will injure your shoulders or elbows and all. Okay, relax. Let us relax in Shavasana. Relax in Shavasana. Relax. Shavasana also you should know how to do properly. Legs apart, heels facing each other, hands by the side of the body, palms facing the roof, eyes closed, face smiling. Weight on the body, total weight on the ground. Keep your total weight on the ground. There are two more dands I didn't teach you, some other day I teach you. Today it is too much. Relax. Relax. Observe your breathing. Relax, relax, relax. Relax, relax, relax. Turn to the right. Turn to the right. Keep your left palm on the ground. With the help of left palm, come to sitting position. I just show you two more dands. You don't do it, just observe. One is Parshvadan. Parshvadan. Take your left leg towards right side. Do the Bhujangasana and come back. Take your right leg towards left side. Do the Bhujangasana and come back. This is Parshvadan. Okay. Take your left leg to the right side. Do Bhujangasana and come back. Take your right leg to the side, left side. Do Bhujangasana and come back. Okay? Yeah. All right. Good. Good exercise today. Anybody has any questions? Please ask.
So what
It was
is the
very
last dand?
Yes, Ashwini.
Last
You are on
dand, what
mute.
is the name of it?
Huh?
What is the name of the last dand?
Parshvadan.
So it was very interesting, sir, and challenging also.
Yes, it is challenging, but we will do 2 or 3 rounds of each one every day so that our muscles get strengthened. Okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, any other question? Anybody has? On any other asana
Namaste,
or
Guruji.
whatever we are doing? Okay, so we will close for the day. Okay, hope you had a good session. Put Namaskar Mudra. Repeat after me. Asatoma
Asatoma
Sadgamaya
Naggamaya
Tamasoma
Tamasoma
Jyotirgamaya
Virgamaya
Mrityorma
Mrityorma
Amritam Gamaya.
Virgamaya.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Keep your hands in blessing posture. Bless the world, bless the universe. Repeat after me. Lokaha
Lokaha
Samastaha
Namaskaha
Sukhino Bhavantu.
Ino Bhavantu
Fold your hands, pray to God. Hari Om.
Hari Om
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Gurubhyo Namaha
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Repeat after me. I am not the body.
I'm not the body,
I am not the mind.
I'm not the mind,
I am not the intellect.
I'm not the intellect,
I am pure consciousness.
I'm pure consciousness.
Shiva Swarupi.
Swarupi.
Shivoham.
Shivoham,
Shivoham.
Shivoham,
Shivoham.
Shivoham.
Rub your palms, generate heat, make a cup shape, put it on your eyes, give warmth to the eyes with few blinks, open your eyes. Thank you. Have a good day. See you tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.